the smell. So the true smell where I tell water. I want to know all of the smell. Garlic. Okay, now Rita they eat garlic. We have a very time. Okay. You know waiting I don't like. I like after they don't laugh you finish. You can't come on, you can't do like this thing, P-pop. Rita, point of correction. But I'm not come here. Rita, point of correction. See, wait. Rita, if you get this cloth for us, see, why you don't use and call a papa tea? See, see. You see, you know why he thought this one, and because of Kate, now they can go do this way do so. This woman don't get this cloth for us before. I will say he get this cloth, she for use and take call a papa tea. See, now Katie they mock so. See, you see, Rita, you the thought of Kate for there. Kate dress well. Even if a cloth when Kate wear say na 5-0, but when you see her with the cloth, he fine. With Abraham wife, the feeling is deep. Oh, now those two people, where they talk truth? Because I don't get to now want do me if na talk or say me love the can't dress for now. Well, I worry. I feel use 300 or take buy one sack wear. This cloth with them my body, so you know how much it be. I've been at this hair. How they wear hair. Now see my hair. More I they talk, more heat they enter, more it go they calm down. You see, how they wear hair. See, how they wear hair. If I tell you how much this hair be, you yourself will say, lovely, where you receive money. Now so God can bless us. You know? Yes! When you see Sarah and Kate, you gonna know say these people they chop witch for party. Here a party. Here, no they talk truth. Even he said the cloth wear Kate and said that we say na 5-0. Man, those people, they are too unique. Unique. They're fine. They look good, but they talk truth. See the one where Rita wear. Rita, you think say now you they analyze pass. Now we they wash you now. Who the heck? Oh, the one where Nash for flats, who not get on. Well, I go Facebook. Who the heck? That conference they I bet if your pepper never ripe, enter house. Oh, you can't do this for us. Our pepper don't take way ripe. With Tim Amigo, when they sleep, they see money. Yeah. They say, you hear me? Yes. Ask it, see Dion. You go say Dion, come on, take this thing. You come, we see the cloth where Rita wear. Rita, where is it that you call the disgrace? We won't be at those states. Everything about you is localism. Yeah? If you are in pain, say something is wrong with you. Say you are still living your past. She's living her past. You have to let your past go. May clean up. This cloth when I wear so, if I use a enter party, see, if I use this cloth enter party, okay, that day I will go to party. Kate see me like this. Kate will say, hey, if you see barrister, that barrister homosexual, if Kate will know how much be this two cloth when I wear, he will say, homosexual. This thing when I put for neck, shower, not be shower. Let's say we come here and my mother, they say, go, this one. If you reach where this thing, some of them are 80, 70, 75. This is when they wear, so 80, 75. Do you know why I normally buy something that is expensive? In case if I go to Nigeria, say, maybe I just need money. If I carry this hair reach salon, when they go see, they'll say, why? If I tell them, say, this hair, maybe they give me 300,000, they go give me. I always they buy expensive things. You will see Oyibo fit travel out, now they fit run out of cash. The gold will get their hands. They'll carry and go where they sell gold. They will sell and use and take do what they want use and do. Don't be saying the money you go raw away. Chop one. You know? Like me now, if I come there now, see how I'm not tight. This dress when I dress come on, so you know say na English dress, you know. If you can't see me for party like that, people say, who is she? Who is she? You know, company say everybody most tight. No. Even right from time when I did IT, I always dress like English woman. I know they dress too much. They tie. People for IT know me. If I enter occasion, they'll say, "Oh, I don't want to go now." Only the perfume alone. Where I sit down, if you sit down near me, you go to scent the perfume. Now the disgrace on herself. May I find you? You are on Facebook because they talk. Now she too low. She's not local. Do you know the problem Rita have? Is it Rita? Rita, she's not local. The problem she has, she's still living in her past. Rita, you have to get up, face reality. Get up and live your past. Your past is not helping you. Yes, when you see her, the way she look like, you will know that this woman, she's in pain. How can you be living in past for so many years? Everybody have past. Like me now, as I did, I want to live for my past. God forbid. And if I pass something way no good, as a present now, the same thing they come meet me. I will say, the one that I left 3 years ago, I think I am still seeing some of those mistakes in this new one. I think I still see some mistake in this new one. You will know, you will discharge. Women that is very intelligent. You don't jump for one man to one man because you want man, you want to marry. Rita is not happy because in another still contact or you come to feel say you they talk. You are living your past. Get up and walk away, Rita. Leave your past alone. Look. Oakman, people when you got calabash face, it they hard. Before you see pain for their face, it they hard. Rita, oh, is too much. That is why you can see pain. You will come. We are going to analyze you. Now, we will analyze because they read you. You have pain. Walk away from your ugly past. Why are you living your ugly past, Rita? You are not happy. Nobody can make you happy. You are the one that will make yourself happy. Like me. People say, lovely, they always dance. If you play music now, we get up, dance, put. Because you that is playing that music, you are happy playing that music. It gives you joy. And the people close to you, you can still give them joy. They will get up and dance for your music. You don't ever see somebody go party. You see some people now, they will say they get a problem for house. They go party. If they reach party, now they go dance past. They say, not be you, they cry. They say, my sister, this place don't change my condition. She's just there coming out when they pretend say, now she no pass, she get. You don't have anything. Looking at you alone. You get this cloth when you tell say you come mock Kate. Why you don't wear a come party? After the party, she go prepare this cloth, go buy this cloth, come show us on Facebook. You are living a fake life. When Kate go party, Kate go market, even if say whether it go market because the same skirt, now with Abraham wife wear. That is Phyllis Deep. You can see it, two of them. They choose what they like, they buy and they wear a come party. Then you walk come now. Can they say, not be live video, and this thing, tell me. You went after they teach you, you went to go and buy some clothes, and you can't wear them. Maybe people come say you get the clothes. You know what wear and go party. You lie. You don't get that cloth for house. Now if you then find people where they say, they know things, come meet us, Team Mafia, we from here, tear our Irish back. And stop fooling yourself. Stop the make gra 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 gra. Who you want push enter? You don't bath. Well, when there? You don't bath. You don't bath. That day he come show us a completed building. Your buildings are not completed building. See the work where they just look at one video that she did. She's not ashamed of herself. The other day she's calling herself Okpo, that she's Okpo. Are you kidding? I'm gonna treat your case. Don't unlike video and stop. Don't unlike video and don't give people advice. That advice, you need it. You are in pain. Eh? Your eye just deep go inside. Say tomorrow, not there. Wait. See clothes when you wear go party. You don't get mirror for us. Who is that? Wait.
Emmanuel.
Where they go now? Wait, not come show for my 50. Pass.
Patat.
You know they eat all that food pass patat. No, now wait, make my boy pass. You know, go show for there because all those ones where they short. You know? You get the clothes. Why you not wear a go party? If you true have that clothes at home, why did you wear it to party? Go first disgrace yourself. Eh? Disgrace yourself. You will come first because they hold ground. What do they hold ground for? The women wey go party, we see them. People wey go party, we see them. When people see them, see Keta, this area, when I talk, true don't say me they not talk. Now, the way when I say they run a package, now how they tell you now, you consign me. See, you have pain. You are not happy where you are not happy. You go and solve your problem first before you are doing live video. Ou a problem ou solve, ou do away tafia. Solve your problem, eh? Who is this? Yeah. See. See.
I never got it this Europe. I always say it. See. Not with sweetness at all. With a lot of bitterness. Bitter experience now I get. I have a bitter experience in this Europe. Very bitter one. Not the sweet one. But by the special grace of God, I'm standing right now. Thomas Osas, thank you so much. I'm standing right now by the grace of God on my feet. Strong. Hey. So you don't get one thing when I did deny, say, oh, this thing. I've done a lot of jobs in this Europe. Cleaning, I don't do one. Making work, I don't do one. The other one, I don't do one.
Which one? Tell the other one where you do.
What is it that I've not used my hand to touch in this Europe? Eh? I've touched everything, so no how, I deserve one day where God will give me joy. Even bad experience with bad men, bad boyfriend, bad men, I get all of them. Bad experience with bad men, really bad experience.
You see what I thought just now? Bad men, bad experience. Now she's still living on in it. You know what here? You the man when you fed day with una quarrel. You know they even let her always get woe, okay go just show ahere. You still let her cool down. If you don't let job for one, finish that one will break your heart. You already on that one. So women there, if man break their heart, they will give themselves a year, even 6 months. They don't say another one. If they don't throw away you for this one, you don't carry on that one. Throw away you for this one, carry. Now they throw away, now they throw away you. You go end for Zimbabwe man hand. And you sit there with that Zimbabwe man, you are not okay. You are not okay. Just because of prick. You are not happy. Some people, they are happy when they are with prick. You there with cassava. You're not happy. Eh? When I go Facebook, I don't even know the people, you people you are talking to. Now me wait here, I reach here. I reach here. The second one reach here. Now, now the advice. See your eye. When you go see your eye, you will see the pain in your eye. You are in deep pain. What is your problem? You have problem. You have problem. Rita, you have problem. You are living with your past. Why can't you walk away? Walk away. Then they see, no, go, see the pastor. So pastor, they will be say, they go, they advise you. No. They say when you are in somewhere, you see that place is not good for you, walk away. Don't wait for you there to just dead down, finish, pata, to be useless. You see some people now that say, I don't want to come out from my husband's house. At the end of the day, I spent 20 years. See yet, the man still drive you. Because you have been fighting with your husband over 20 years. At the end of the day, the man still drive you. For you to know so you don't go walk. You are just the one pushing it. That is the problem two people have. You want to talk. You say, it's like you get kids problem for your mind. The life video when kids do, when be say, they change them. The life. This person talk to you, now you know how to talk. Your talk alone, we can see depression in your talk. Up and over with depression. You are not okay. Your eyeball, tears. See my eyeball now, it clean time. Your own, tears there. You people, you will not give yourself advice. You are giving people advice. She needs to move on. Yes, thank you. She needs to move on. No. If they consider the coffee say now I want to console you. You think that is view that will make your life, as you just see me so, that may have problem. I know you don't get problem. They don't say, hey, lovely, you don't get husband, lovely, you don't get boyfriend. Who's that there?
I want something.
You want to ask me something?
Want something.
Hey, oh no, Hannah. Bring on.
You have to put it in pan.
In the outside?
No, let me do it.
Outside? Hey, Betty go get.
Am I away?
When the kid don't laugh, Betty go get. Betty supposed to see children. You see my baby now. So beautiful. If I show another, okay, shut up. Who is there? You know? If they don't talk one thing, we'll just come out to put. Now you talk fast. We want to rest our life. You don't be saying we tired. We see say sometimes when you talk finish, you live on. Live your past. You are still living your past, and it's not going to work. Or why you live in the past in nowhere? Well, I don't want to marry. If I not marry, wait till make you never marry. Money never there. You born for one, they not marry you. You born for two, they not marry you. You born for three, they not marry you. Can't where they marry. Now you call they talk. Now you talk pass. Hello? Caller, you won't gossip. Hello. Evening. You won't gossip. Okay. Wait, put up on speaker. Hey, the speaker. Reduce the one where they watch us.
You see, a party way too. You know, a party na saga party. Na saga party na a party. You know what? You see all those people now enter Facebook, you go get 3,000, 4,000, 1,000. When the power party, you know see a party be, you know see people wey come.
Thank you. These children, they disturb me. You know, you get problem. You don't go solve your problem. You want to come out. You want to advise people. Which advice? Who you want advice? Eh? Who you want advice? You went open for 3 months. Who you want advice? Waiting. This is my children. You are drawing my attention. Eh? People always make me laugh. This time you know you want to fry patatas. I don't like this.
Good shot.
Man.
And mayonnaise, please.
Mayonnaise, get this thing. I need to go collect mayonnaise by yourself. You know? Now go. You children. Now you draw my attention. I've put it. Just go. It's very hot, eh? You know? Now go. Now. Hey, pal. You got one live video. Wait, pardon. Wait. Oh, yeah, pass. When I don't play, come on for you, yeah. You want? Yeah. Oh my God. This with you. But the microwave is making noise. But just give me just 1 minute. If you see her, if you see my son, as I thought you should talk past me. I will say that they say, come and show your pikin. If I show my pikin for Facebook, what I will wrong. When you make go, you, they love boy. You know, I'm big boy. Okay. I don't know, but yeah, back because people when they Facebook, they don't get joy. Now because they use my picture, they do caricature for Facebook, like. Mommy, please give me water. What do you want to do? That means you don't come up for here today.
Wow. Just do it. You didn't go. Now I do it for the second time and then I'm off. Look, you see this?
May just finish. You don't go finish. This you don't do like they sent. You'll come from you. Sorry. No, my personal person. I craze. You see my children. They're fine, beautiful. If you like, they're not even fine. So if I'm not the show one.
No, we are fine.
Mommy, can you reduce that gas? You want to bring heat to me now. You know, I don't like this.
I know, sorry, but I'm hungry.
You are hungry, but you could have made your food since.
I didn't even know you was here. I thought you was in your room. For real.
Okay, do you guys want me to go upstairs? And there is hot.
You can open your window.
No, I don't want to. I don't want to. Do you know what? I don't want to do live video in my room anymore.
Why do you do why?
There is a lady called... I don't mention the name yet. She's doing live video on bed. I don't want to mention her name. She's doing live video on bed. Then I quit to do live video on bed. I'm not going there anymore, okay?
Well, why is that your reason to stop?
No, I don't do competition with old people. Now you want to tell me, madam, off your live video, may go find food for your pikin. My children, they are grown-up children. They are not little children. My last born is 14 years. My last one can even cook. Cause say, mommy, take. Let they cook, give me. If you don't have anything to write here, you get out here. Una when not they take care of una children, and come here, come they write this thing. Now you know pass. Now you trade the children rich like this. Now you help me give the children food when the children big rich like this. Now you show the children how they say they want food for microwave. No serious. But don't make sense. My children, they make food for me. If they want to make food, they ask, mommy, do you want? If I want, I say, yes, I want. Where the fucking this make I delete the comment? You know? Oh, where I'm safe. Make the comment there later, I will delete them. If you comment another one, put for here, I will delete you. See my eye, they pepper me because of makeup. Ah, wow. You know? Now so, they reach a party. People go a party. Even the time when we say Facebook, they hot that year. When Facebook, they hot that year. Live video presenter with live video presenter. They will meet themselves for here. This one will look, this one like this one will laugh. We then watch all of them that year. They don't fight. They don't say, hey, oh, Monica, come here. Oh, the second one, come here. You come here. And Stella is share Facebook rich. Stella is still rich the party. Stella is still follow people play for there. All of the way they say, Stella, if I see you, you go and boy. Stella, if I see you, go and boy. And Stella shake Facebook rich that year. As I see, Stella still rich there. All of them, they still greet themselves. Una reach there now. Mommy, please close this door. Make my voice not go outside. Now you want to chop all those ones. Come for me now. Yeah. Let me take for the meat. No, I don't want an hamburger. You know, I bet me I take for the meat. Oh my God. I know say this thing of this. All these things. I find no. Take.
I told you.
Sugar there. Meat with sugar. You know? That they go party when una they go. All of una they verse. All of una they verse. Some people say they not remember to dress. Some people say they get clothes for inside bag. They get clothes for wardrobe. They not remember to dress. Now dress na be una problem. At the same time, they don't know how to dress. They don't know how to dress. If una come out for Facebook say una know how to dress, why dressy? People don't know how to dress. You see some people now they go so you close the door. Don't make me angry. You see some people now, they will say they wear native. On top when they go wear, you go make boo boo boo. The skirt when go wear, go make boo boo boo. Everything go make boo boo boo. They go carry hair poof like this. Make they say there are inches of human hair long. They'll go be like monkey. They'll go be like Chinese monkey. Human hair, even when get herself, or even when they pack their hair like this, or you can never pack their hair like this. You take your hair back. Then one question I say the inches. This one when I wear so. These inches now 26 inches. Even without being told. Hair, then they carry hair go back. Your cousin so they go back and call like this. Then they say, hey, the hair when they wear a logo and the hair now fake hair. Not do my hair, fake hair. When I go follow Mary those buy expression. That why they shout every day. Mona come buy expression. Mona come buy expression. The human hair want to say what they put for hair. Now Mary those expression I better pass. The human hair now this one I be human hair. Not the other one you come make boo boo boo. I thought that I why. You can center pass. Now when I see say na back, now that they get center pass. I didn't why they am no go down. You confident. I told you the one tell say they get inches of hair. Oh, you both get hair. Now back. Now they carry and go. They carry and go back. See, now back. Yeah, queen do down. I don't know the dress. But how they come and call the son of the dress. How can you wear a native? The blouse of the native, you go big, boo, 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 boo. The skirt go big, boo, 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 boo. Then we don't wait on your boo. And we eyeglass your boo. Who come there? Be like masquerade. You people, you need to advise yourself. Do you know only the woman when we say if get Facebook, when you know they make noise, say I get husband, I get husband, get husband, get husband. Now it be German first lady. German first lady. Now look at the shop. I get husband, I get husband, I get husband, I get husband. German first lady get husband. And they use that one, they respect that woman. She have husband. Even they say with the husband that they fight for inside house, but they don't come Facebook and they disgrace themselves. You see some people now they'll carry their husband come. Their husband is not learned. Their husband is illiterate. Illiterate men like me come be now. I'll come marry. I can't enter Facebook. After my husband say, honey, come on, do video. I'll be bow. I'll go eat. My head go eat to work. Bow. Blood go they come out from my nose. Who not marry? All those one they say, I marry. You people, you are not married. When I'm married, that they ask me now. People they find who they fuck lovely. Who they fuck lovely, who they fuck lovely. Who they fuck lovely. Then they find out. The other time, one big fool when they first shot come and say, they don't know who they fuck am. So as big as I am, I'm a matured woman for crying out loud. As I big rich. I can't carry it. Okay, I want to put a for Facebook. Maybe my boyfriend call they fuck me, or maybe my fiance call they fuck me, or maybe my husband call they fuck me. No, no, say I get who they fuck me. You people, you are so dumb. Wakube. You people illiterate. Have never. I get one video when I do that. They say we the Edo State people, we get a lot of school. Go to Edo State now. We get school pass for all your state where they Nigeria. What do you people learn? You people, you lack it all. You lack wisdom. I mean, where are you going? You want it off outside? You will see some people now, they want to do competition with you. Can you do race of competition? If lovely say, I want to do competition with you. If I buy something, I say that something now you they use, I go throw away and go carry on that one. Say the way I get disgrace a buy the Murphy. A buy the Murphy do for live video finish, birthday finish, in enter house. Una sit down there, una they disgrace una self. I get clothes, I not get clothes. You not get. If you get clothes, you for wear the clothes go party. Yes. Even that time when so women self, if they can call their fellow women that time, they will say, ah, my sister, this cloth you wear fine, but this old hat to wait, they not just fine. Wait to make a open boss give you a hat to. You go come wrap her for her. Oh ah, you dress fine, no. This old hat to you not tie and wear. You go come tie her. Can that year when would they go church for this thing for IT that year? We don't know how to tie hair, so women then when they know how to tie hair, we all do it like that, they go tie her for us. Now they tell say, I got clothes for inside house. I don't come wear the cloth, go party. I don't wear this one. They say, now they smell.